today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plot UV visible spectrum in Excel. We'll be creating a clean UV visible spectrum chart using your sample data and a scatter plot with smooth lines. This is a great option when you want your wavelength values displayed properly on the horizontal axis while keeping the spectrum easy to read. To begin, go to the tab at the bottom of your workbook labeled UV Plot. This is the sheet where your spectrum data is stored and where you'll build the chart. Before inserting anything, take a quick look at your data layout so you can be sure the correct values are being selected. Next, highlight your sample data, but make sure you leave the first row header blank. This part is important because including that blank header in the wrong way can sometimes affect how Excel interprets the data when building the chart. You want Excel to focus on the actual numeric values for the spectrum, especially the wavelength and absorbance or intensity values, depending on how your sheet is set up. Once your data is selected, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel and click on Charts. This is where Excel gives you different visual options for turning your data into a graph. For a UV visible spectrum, the best choice here is the scatter chart because it treats the x-axis as true numeric data rather than simple categories. From the chart options, choose the third chart, which is scatter with smooth lines. This chart type is especially useful for UV visible data because it creates a smooth spectral curve rather than a jagged or segmented line. That makes the graph look more polished and also easier to interpret visually. After the chart appears, the next step is to show the x-axis title so your graph is more complete and easier for others to understand. Click on the chart first so the chart tools become active. Then click the plus icon on the left side of the chart. This opens the Chart Elements menu, where you can quickly turn labels and titles on or off. In that menu, check the box that says Axis Titles. Once that is enabled, Excel will display title fields for the axes, including the horizontal x-axis. This is helpful because UV visible spectrum charts should clearly indicate what the x-axis represents, typically wavelength, so anyone viewing the chart can understand the measurement scale right away. At this point, your UV visible spectrum plot is in place and much easier to read and present. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.